Let me introduce you to the DAMS online test series today. The most high yield test series. Most of the tests come with video solutions and most variety of test papers are there in the online test series. I will tell you how to use it with an example today. First section that you see here is your grand tests. These are NEET PG pattern paper and you will see there are 5 sections made in each paper. This is how the real exam happens. 40 questions, 5 sections, and this is exactly the replica of the real exam. Then you will see a section called as Transform 10x, in which you will see some test papers which are specifically designed and they are given as targets to you on our Telegram channel, and then you come back and give the paper. Then you will see a section called as Class Test NEET PG, where teachers have specifically made class tests for NEET PG students which are in our regular courses and Ultimate Live, Back to Basics. Then you will see a class test FMGE. Class test FMGE, you will see specific test papers that have been made by the teachers who are for our foreign medical graduate students who are attending our FMG classes. Then you will see a section called as subject wise revision test. These are SWTs, 200 questions subject wise. Teachers have made it only to help you revise. So you can one test paper quickly revise and they come with video solution. Next you will see specifically designed paper called as NEET PG mocks, where special mock tests which have been conducted are there for you so that you can revise and practice your NEET PG. The third you will see, another section you will see will be your INI-CT mock, where in INI-CT you have 4 sections. So these papers have been designed to resemble your INI-CT exam. They are very important, you should always use them. And if you are a foreign medical graduate, don't forget special mock tests designed for FMG exam are also available in the test series. So always remember, what is the heart and soul of any preparation? It is your test series. And DAMS comes with the best test series, most high yield, with video solutions, with specific paper for all kind of paper. NEET PG ke mock alag hai, NEET PG ke class test alag hai. FMG mocks are separate, FMG class tests are separate. Revision ke liye we have given you special test papers called as SWT. Plus we have also given you special mock tests for INI-CT. And plus daily Telegram targets which are put in the Transform 10x so that we keep you on your toes all the time with the test series. Don't miss out on performing on the DAMS test series. Look forward to hearing you. Look forward to see you on the leaderboard in the DAMS test series.